Hapaialii has many different translations or interpretations of its name. One of the translations for Hapaialii is to elevate a chief or to support a chief. That's one of the more literal translations. Another translation is that it means to support many and the multitude of people, which it took to actually come and support all the different chiefs and kahuna that resided in this area at one time. But the interpretation that I like for Hapaialii is also the idea of li'i, meaning many, many stars, to support or to lift up stars or the multitude of different celestial beings that are up there is the translation and interpretation I prefer to think about. And that's because one of the functions for the heiau is to track the movement of the sun and the moon and the stars, but basically the sun. On the southern or southwestern corner of Hapaialii is where the Tropic of Capricorn is, or the Hapaialii a Kanaloa. So that's the furthest south that the sun is going to move. And we see here in the center of Hapaialii is where the Piko o Wakea resides, and that's the equinox or the equator. And then the northwest corner is actually the furthest north that the sun will travel, and that's called the Tropic of Cancer, which is the Hapaialii a Kane. So it takes 3 months for the sun to move from the northwestern corner to the center, and then it takes another 3 months from the center to the southwest corner, and then another 3 months to get back to the middle, and then another 3 months after that to get back to the northwestern corner. And that divides our year into 4 different seasons and marks the marching of the sun for a 12-month period. One of the exciting things about Hapaialii is we discovered the use and the function of Hapaialii after the site was restored, and did so by observing all the different movements, the celestial movements of stars, the moon, the sun, throughout the year, over years. So it was several years that we did that to discover what its function was. What's exciting for us is that's just one function we discovered. And for us, as we continue to work with the heiau and look at it every day and work with it every day, more information is going to be revealed to us over time. One of the things that we have to assist us is this webcam that we currently set up here. And what it's doing is it's measuring all the different weather things that are happening, what the temperature is, what the wind factor is, what kind of rain is happening. We have live feed right now of a camera that shows you what's happening, so you can watch the tidal movements and the current changes. And we can actually shoot pictures at every sunset, so we can sit here after the course of the year and have enough data to be able to watch the sun and the moon move across Hapaialii instead of being there every day, so we can actually track it. It's an innovative way of having people being able to come and see things live and looking at Hapaialii from afar and learning from it for our future educational purposes.